Congratulations. And even Alexei. Next up is Vahan, who's going to give us an update on the regional initiatives at the NCC. So over to Vahan.
Thank you. Thanks much to all joined today. I had a pleasure to meet a lot of you these 2 days at EUREX meeting, and well, that's my presentation for regional initiatives. Some part of it you have already seen these 2 days ago. Well, I don't have much time, so I'll go on with that. So regional initiatives overview. I'm a part of RIPE NCC team working with external parties, with governments, with community, and with academia. We do the cooperation with industry partners. I will provide the information about 2 of these activities and the opportunity. Oh, yeah, and we also made the 3rd one. First one is a virtual peering series Central Asia. That is for Central Asia, but it is also about connecting Central Asia to other regions as well, supporting Central Asian region to be a part of the global world. You can find some blue links under there and just can go to these pages and get more information about that. Second is Internet Measurement Day, and 3rd is supporting K-root server operations in Central Asia. I'll go with more details about that. So a virtual peering series Central Asia, it is about the activity that is organized with Internet Society and EUREX with the support of a lot of industry partners, that is Meta, Flex Optics, TechX, Team Kumru, AM6, Flex Optics, and Namex. I've told you about that, yeah. So what it is about? It's about talking about the benefits of IXP, talking about the problems they have, the challenges they have, and how to boost the IXP and peering in this region. We are also engaging into this activity local counterparts, because the local counterparts that have already some experience in IXP building to provide the showcase of how it is done, not in Amsterdam, not in Berlin, but also in our area. And for that, we also have engaged Albert Donayan from Armix, Uchisatori from Georgia, that are trying to also build the IXP in Georgia. We have done a lot of these activities, and the next is not in September 9, but in July 14. The Internet Measurement Day is about the tools and instruments, the tools and instrument of RIPE NCC and ICANN to measure the Internet. But also we engage local counterparts to represent their local measurements. And we have done 3 of these events, one in Armenia, one in Georgia, one in Czech Republic. Next one is planned on September 13 in Serbia with SOX. And we are thinking about more Internet measurement events in the region per request. So if you're interested to make this Internet Measurement Day in your country with your engagements, you're welcome. You can just ask me and I can try to foster it with you. What we talk about at these events, that's about RIPE Atlas, ITHI project of ICANN, RPK, Routing Information Service. We talk also about the RIPEstat, and we engage these local counterparts to represent their local measurements as well for the benefit of their academic institutions or their persons or the private companies they have, or the registry. For example, in Georgia and Czech Republic, the regulator was representing what they are doing there. As you know, we are one of the organizations, RIPE NCC, we are one of the organizations that support the root server operations in the world, and we have this K-root server support, and we support especially the countries that don't have K-root servers, but also we provide, for example, the trainings for the community to understand why do they need to run it and how to run it. In Uzbekistan, there was also an issue with IPv6, understanding the IPv6 and understanding how they should run it to have it for the K-root servers as well. So we have also provided the training there together with ICANN, and we'll go with future activities there to support the K-root server operations there. Going a bit forward, I will say that in Tajikistan we have also helped to establish and deploy K-root server in Tajikistan with one of our instruments, that is Community Projects Fund. So some pictures here, root servers in the region. I was also making a similar presentation some days ago in Minsk, and the picture was not so good there. If you see, we have a lot of root servers in this region, and especially in Finland, so you have really good situation here. In Helsinki we have some 7 root servers, in Tampere we have 3, and in Oulu we have also 2. In Sweden it is also some good situation with 6 in Stockholm, 1 in Sundsvall, and 1 in Luleå. Luleå, very romantic, yes. Norway-Oslo, we have also 7 root servers. In Denmark we have, wow, how much? Copenhagen 4 and Göteborg 3, and we have really good picture also in Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania.
Excuse me.
Yep.
Excuse me, I have a question. Can you go back to the Finnish? Yeah. So it says that there is an L-root server in Helsinki, and we recently got one here in Tampere as well. But I've never been able to reach the Helsinki L-root. I don't know where it is. Nobody carries its route.
Interesting. I can check where is it.
Yeah.
I can check where is it and I'll tell you.
And if it's just, a mistake, from 10 years ago and nobody has fixed it, then maybe it can be fixed.
It might be, but it is in the database. But I'll check it. Thank you. Oops. So, training and education, what do we do to support the technical community and academia? First activity is a RIPE Academic Cooperation Initiative, and it started in 2013 because of COVID. We don't do much there, but previously we were supporting academic participants to participate to our events with their presentations, with their researches that are of interest of RIPE community, and all these applicants were publishing their work through RIPE labs, and examples of RACI topics were network measurement and analysis, IPv6 deployment, BGP routing, network security, internet governance, peering and interconnectivity, and also IoT, but it was not limited. In fact, when the community asks me what can be interesting for you, I say them, well, not for us. Ask your country operators. What is interesting for them, 99.9% is interesting for us as well. So go to the next door operator and ask them. RACI in 2021, we have made a project of mapping connectivity and the digital space in Central Asia with one French university, but we have more projects there, and you can read about that at the RIPE Labs. We have RIPE NCC Academy. with these COVID times, we went online, and it's free online learning platform for internet networking professionals and students. And we have online courses currently on Introduction to IPv6, IPv6 security, and also RIPE databases. What's good, it's not only the learning course, but also the opportunity to get certified there. And that is why we have the certified professionals, let's say, line or program. And you can take online exams and get certified. As I already said, it is a certification on IPv6 security, IPv6 fundamentals, and RIPE databases. We provide free of charge vouchers for RIPE NCC members to get this certification, to get these exams. Maybe you cannot pass it, but I don't think that in this room there is anybody that can pass it if they participate in this program. And even if you are not RIPE NCC member but is coming from academia, just touch us. We'll try to manage something to enable you to get this certification. Workshops and information sessions that we do also with academic institutions. Many academic institutions, they just don't know us. They don't know what is internet ecosystem, what is internet governance, etc. We do it with them. We do information sessions depending on the profile of institution and the profile of audience. We go deeper to technical details or don't go so much deeper. So we provide these information sessions and cover the topics of internet fundamentals, data analytics, trends in telecom sector, domain name system, etc. We did it in Armenia, Georgia, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Ukraine, and Russia, but are also open to make it in each and every country of RIPE NCC service region. That's free of charge. We also provide RIPE Atlas props free of charge, and in some cases we also, at phase 2, we also provide the anchors. That is for phase 2, in fact, if they are enough successful with RIPE Atlas props, they also get the anchors. They try to develop with us the joint academic education projects. We have one with the University of Beirut, American University of Beirut. And we also support the hackathons organized by our partner universities or organizations. So if you want to organize a hackathon with academic institutions or alone, you know that we are also supporting these activities as well. We have also these webinars on different topics, internet governance, routing registry, Atlas usage, and RIPE policy, RPK, IPv6, etc. We have the Community Projects Fund, that was the grant projects fund. It has been launched in 2017, and we have the sum of 250,000 of euro each year for non-commercial projects that value to the operations and resilience of the internet. That's to support the good of the internet, and we provide the preference to the projects from our region, of course. It should be non-commercial. That is one of the very strict rules. Applicants can apply as many times as they want for different projects per year, and the same project can be funded more than once, but not in the same year. And you can find more. All the recipients are also listed in this at this website, so you can also understand what might be interesting for us. And there is no minimum, but mainly projects are from 20 to 60, 50,000 euros. And that can be, unfortunately, the humanitarian aid, donations, or to encourage political reforms, unfortunately. We will have the next round of applications in July. That is in a month from now. So mid-July it will be open, and I'll just ask you if you are interested to apply with this, with your ideas and applications. And finally, we have these open houses that were boosted during the COVID time. That's a 90-minute virtual events. We are open to all interested stakeholders, that is the RIPE community and not RIPE NCC members only. We have different topics like academic cooperation, e-learning, internet in Kazakhstan, internet in Czech Republic, in Moldova, in many countries. We have also topic-wise meetings, not open meetings, like what Digital Service Act means for you. And we have the upcoming meetings also available at our website. Please go there and provide your suggestions for that as well. That was all for now. And if you have any questions, any suggestions and cooperation initiatives, please apply to me. I'm here and I'm with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vahan. Do we have any questions? No questions? Thank you again, Vahan.
Thank you.
And next up